Hi, my name is Vanarwati. I'm from Mizoram, India. I have been living with HIV for almost 20 years now. The whole world faced the same crisis due to COVID pandemic. I am so worried how a HIV positive like me can survive at the onset of the pandemic. Now I am vaccinated fully. I am so happy and relieved. Vaccination may not protect you fully, but it can reduce severe harm, which can save your life. Likewise, condom and syringe can prevent you from further harm. If your CD4 count is low, your viral load is high, if you're HIV/TB, please take the vaccine to protect yourself. Let's take COVID vaccination to be able to get back to normal life again. Take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Thank you.